What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva, crypto babe. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out this program on how you can earn $300 and $600 payments, go check it out. Link is in the description. Go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. Guys, if you had a blueprint, hear me clearly, if you had a blueprint that would show you exactly what to do every day, even though you're new, even though you're not technical, even though it doesn't matter what your age is, from 18 to 90, okay? None of those things matter. If you had an actual step-by-step blueprint that tells you what to do every day of the week, and it showed you how you can earn $300 and $600 payments. Okay, this could be unlimited. You can make multiple payments a day, receive multiple payments a day. It just depends, right? So if you had that, would you be interested, guys? Low startup costs. You have a community that's here to support you, inspire you, encourage you. 24/7 access to this community. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. 5 days a week, you've got training, live training. You've got access to the recordings if you can't make the recordings. Literally handed to you on a silver platter. Would you be interested, guys? Well, I'm glad you said yes, because I have the perfect solution for you. Go check this out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. We show you exactly what to do, where to post, because you're going to post ads, guys. You can copy and paste ads, but guess what? Ads is advertising. We give you the advertising. We tell you what to do. It could be a video, because the recordings from all the webinars that we have, well, the webinars where we invite people to check out the opportunity, is recorded. You can share a webinar. You can share an image, a picture. You can share a message. All this stuff is already pre-written and proven to work. We tell you exactly what to do. So we tell you where to post. If this was possible, if you could get your hands on something like this, would you be interested? If so, the link is in the description. Go check it out. www.thecopypastemethod.com, guys. You're earning 100% commissions. There's no middleman. You don't have to split your commissions. You don't have an upline where you got to pass up a sale. Any of that. Everybody that signs up with you from your link, you're going to be paid directly, member to member, from that person any way you want to get paid. 100% commissions. All right? So, that sounds like something you're interested in getting started. I want to see you in the back office, okay? In the members area, the community area. So we're talking about a 2-hour a day blueprint that you're going to follow. You can work it any way you want. It doesn't have to be 2 hours at one time. It could be 10 minutes here, 30 minutes there, 40 minutes here. Whatever you want to do, how you want to do it. Work it around your busy lifestyle. This is the type of business we have here. All right, so we're talking about 14 hours a week. That's all we're looking at. Okay, 14 hours a week. So let's take a look at what's happening inside the community that I'm going to invite you to. Matter of fact, we just hit another milestone. Our group is growing like crazy, okay? Everybody that's in this group is a paid member. We just hit 10,000 members. Awesome. I want to say Friday, if I'm not mistaken, when the webinar was done on Friday, the last webinar, I think we were at 9,700. We at 10,000 now. So let's go over here and take a look at our community so you can see what you're going to be a part of. Okay. Let's look at this first before we look at the numbers. I know it's 10K. Let's look at some results from some folks. My first sale. Okay, so when you're looking at this, you're saying, hey, I'm new. Can I really do this? Are people really making money with this blueprint you're talking about? More proof. My first sale, $300. Wow. I'm so extremely blessed by this. After 2 months of grinding, finally a breakthrough. I cannot stress this enough, the importance of doing your training right from the start. Okay, so shout out to that person. Then we have another person. Y'all, I can't control the excitement. My first sale came in this morning while I was knocked out sleeping. This customer watched the free webinar on Friday. This is what I'm talking about. We have the webinar. Either they can get in, you can invite folks, they can join it live, or once it's recorded, you can share it with other people and they can go back and look at it on their own time. So this person is saying the customer watched the webinar from Friday and that did it. Okay, so shout out to these folks that just got started and made their first sale, guys. This is very exciting. So I'm showing you this because I want you to see that people are doing it just like you. They're new, non-technical. They didn't come from a background of marketing. They don't know anything about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, making money online. So we've got tons and tons of testimonies like this. So I want to go back right here. See, 10K, 10,000 members in here. And this is an awesome resource that we have our hands on. So see, even today, we've got a mentoring Zoom today. Okay, so we have a calendar where we can see what's going on every day, guys. We have this classroom, which is awesome. This is where you can find pretty much anything you're looking for here. You can type it in the search bar. Right here it says search, and you can find your answer. All right, if you don't find it there, then you go to the community and just make a post. Okay, and someone will reply, because this is an international business. People are in here from all over the world. So different time zones. Okay, so you'll get your question answered. Okay, so if this sounds like something you're interested in doing, you're ready to make a change, you would like to make some extra income, okay, or you're struggling with your business, right, and you want to get some of this training that we've got, perfect. If you're tired of the job that you have and you want to replace it with this type of opportunity, that's possible as well. The sky is the limit. Okay, you can do whatever it is you want to do if you believe in yourself and follow this blueprint. This blueprint is not on trial. It's already been proven for 3 years now. It's been working from people from all walks of life. All right, so if you're ready to get started, go to the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. I would love to work with you, love to talk to you. Go check it out. Go through the funnel though so you can see what it's all about. If you have questions from there, feel free to reach out to me. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.